Hello all, my name is Premlata. In our previous video, we have already discussed how to use the data definition language in SQL with create table commands and alter table commands. In alter table commands, we have seen how to use the keywords add and modify for doing the modification with the structure of the table. We have added the attribute, we have changed the type of the data, and we have changed the size of the data, and what to do before inserting the contents into the table and what to do after the insertion of the contents into the table, how to do these modifications, everything we have seen. So in this video we are just going to copy the contents of the table from one table to the other table, and we are going to rename the name of the table and also the attribute name of the table. So here is what the table which we have already created. One is the child. Now let us check the command for copying the contents of the table. So we have to just give create table. We have to give a table name. I'm just giving CHILDREN1. So let this be my table name. I have to give the keyword as, and then I have to just give select star from child. So the table is created. So the contents along with the structure is being copied to children1. So if we just check with select star from children1, we can see that the table is being created. So the table is created along with the structure. So that we can check with the structure also. So this is how we copy the contents of a particular table to other table. So we have created by copying the contents from other table. So this is what the copy command is. Okay. So now let us see how to change the name of the table and to change the attribute name of a particular table. So for this we have to use alter table with rename option. Okay. So it is alter table. I'm just going to use this new table which has been created from now. So it is children1. I have to just do a rename operation, right? Suppose if I have to give this child ID without underscore, then how I'm just going to give it. Let us check. So alter table name. We have four options. There is 4 options with this alter table. Either we can use add for adding the attribute, modify for changing the type and the size of the data. Now we can use rename for renaming the name of the table, also the attribute name, and we can use drop. Okay, all these 4 are the options which are available for the alter table, and this rename is the third option which can be used for changing the name of the table or the name of the attribute. So for differentiating this, what we can use is, if it is an attribute, we have to use the keyword column. If not, if it is the table, we can directly give the table name. So let us change the name of the attribute. So we have to specify the keyword column. So followed by the old name to, sorry, it is ID, to the new name. I am just removing the underscore. So it is alter table name, rename column, old attribute name to new attribute name. So that is the syntax. The structure is being changed now with the new attribute name which is created. So here the underscore is being changed. So this is how we change the attribute name. Always remember, we have to use rename along with column for specifying that the rename is being done for the attribute here. Now let us change the name of the table. So here it was children1. Now let me just change it to children2. So here we have to use alter table children1. We have to use rename to children2. So simple. This children1 table is now will be, from now it will be only children2. So if we just check with select star from children2, we can see the contents of the children1. But remember, children 1 is been renamed to children 2, so you cannot find such table name. Okay, we have renamed, we haven't copied, we have renamed. So this is the command for renaming the name of the attribute, and this is the command for renaming the table name. So we have seen the rename option. Now let us go execute the truncate table command and the drop table command. So I hope you guys know now the new table name is children 2, right? So let it be children 2 and select star from children 2, we get 2 number of records. So in the DDL commands we have create table, alter table, and we have truncate table command along with drop table command. So truncate table and drop table we are going to see. Before that we can use drop command for alter table. It is alter table, table name, let it be children 2. We have to use drop, we have to specify column. If I specify date of birth, that will be just deleted. So if we just check children 2, alter table drop is also done. So if you just give truncate table, so here this entire domain is deleted with the drop command. Here now we just go execute truncate table children 2. The entire contents will be deleted. Okay, so if you just give select star from children 2, you can see no rows selected. See here, so we had these, only the date of birth is deleted after this drop command, but when we execute the truncate table command, it deletes the entire contents of the table. So that is how the truncate table works. But always remember, truncate deletes only the contents, not the structure. The structure remains the same. So we can see, so that is the use of the truncate table command. It deletes only the contents. If just we give drop table children 2, then the structure will be deleted. If you just try typing describe children name, the structure is deleted. So far guys, we have seen totally we have seen how to use the create table command, alter table command. In alter table command we have seen how to use add, how to use modify, how to use rename, how to use drop, and how to just delete the contents using truncate table command, and how to delete the structure using drop table commands. Thank you guys.